Hey lovelies, you are welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, you are welcome to my channel. Yeah, and hope you're having a good day. And depending on the time you're watching this video or wherever you might be watching from, you're having a good day. Yeah, and I would like if you can comment where you are watching this video from. Yeah, and in this video I'm making an old hairstyle but still modern. Yes, yeah, you just have to watch this video and see what I meant by being an old hairstyle and modern. And mostly it's also called the African Queen hairstyle. I guess some people might be like guessing what hairstyle it could be. It's also very simple, easy, less time consuming. If you are in a hurry or you just want something simple for your hair, this hairstyle is one you should go for. Yeah, so also I'll be telling you a little bit story. Yeah, a little bit of story as I go ahead in this video. Yeah, but the story is all about how I got to start making my hair myself, or maybe let me just say how I get to start making hair generally. Yes, so of course interest. Yeah, that was when I was very much younger. I had an interest, but then I don't have who to do it on or how to learn. So then my grandma was one who I used. Yeah, her hair to mostly practice because she doesn't mind how it looks. So, and with frequent practice, I get to be a pro. Yeah, not pro then. Yeah, so then after I went to school, and then I started making it for friends and also for myself. And when I do that for myself, when I make my hair myself, some of my colleagues or friends are always amazed how I get to do it myself. To the extent some will be like, oh, how have I done this? Was I putting my head on my tie or something like that? So I just like, no, I make my hair where everybody can see me, so there will be nothing strange. Yeah. So yes, that's how I got to start making hair and doing it as a pro today, right now, at this moment. And one thing that amazes a lot of people is not just about making the hair, but the part. Yeah, the line of the hair. That's what amazes a lot of people. Yeah, because of course a lot of people can make their hair, but what about the pattern? Yeah, I wouldn't say my pattern is 100% or 90%, but as you can see, at least you see give me above a 50, above an average. Yeah, so that is it. And how did I get to this level? Is by practicing and doing a lot of it all the time. So, and I use my hair basically to do the practice, because nobody would want to be losing their hair for you like every week, or maybe allowing you to just manipulate their hair all the time. So yeah, good, I have a nice hair and nice texture of hair, so I was able to always do that like every week. Yeah, and one thing with my hair is that it gets rough so quickly. Yeah, so I don't even mind, since I am able to do my hair myself. I always do it at any time I wish to, when I have the time. So that's how I've always been making my hair. Yeah, I rarely go to the salon, and since I also relocated, I think I've only been to, oh no, I didn't go to the salon either, but I only got some friends that came to make my hair for me once since I traveled. Yeah, so basically I think it's good if you can try to do this for yourself, because at some point in time you might not have people who will be able to help you, or it might not be a easily reached salon around you, and you always want to be good always. Of course, Yeah, so I guess a lot of people are already seeing what this African queen hairstyle is all about, and trust me, you're going to love this look. Yeah, you're going to love it. Like, it's not your regular. Yeah, it's not your regular look. Yeah. So as I was saying, it's always a good thing to learn how to make hair because it will help you a lot. Yeah, it's not all the time you want to go to the salon to do like a bulky or a lot of hair. Sometimes you just want to allow your hair to breathe, and then you don't want too much of strain on your scalp. So that is it. So here a lot of people get to know what it is, what the hairstyle really is all about. So you can see this is the African queen hairstyle. Yes. So guys, this hair is finally coming together. Yeah, so it's so easy and simple all together. I don't think I spent up to 30 minutes. Yeah, I don't think I spent up to 30 minutes in making this hair. Yeah, although this is a video, so you have to do some editing and cut out some part of it. So that is it. So guys, I hope this video and my little story helps someone to start learning how to weave or braid your hair yourself. Yeah, you might not do it expert, you might not be a pro, but an idea will be good. Yes. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Yes, kindly subscribe, and I'll be glad you did. Thank you, and you're welcome once again to my channel. I hope to see more of you, and of course you're going to see more and more of beautiful videos that I'll be uploading on this channel. Yeah, and I will also love you react, share, like, comment on this video so others can also see it. Thank you. Bye.